So guys, today I'm going to show you what 2,700 US dollars, by the way, this is the basement parking, or roughly 10,000 Qatari riyals gets you in the lovely city of Doha. These are the Agora towers or hotel apartments or service apartments, whatever you want to call them, operated by Marriott and located in the lovely area of Lusail, right opposite the Vendor Mall. And you can get these for 2,700 USD per month, inclusive of everything. I'll show you the inside. I'll show you the lobby area. I'll show you the facilities, the amenities. Um, I'll give you a tour of everything, the gym, the pool, and also the one bedroom apartment and what actually you can get for that price and how the one bedroom apartment from inside looks like and the scenic views from that unit. So that's what you will see today in this video. So watch till the end and hopefully you like the video. Got your own coffee, got an oven, your microwave. You can see the entire crockery. Um, yeah, the fridge concealed, crockery and some pots, and more space, deep freezer. So yeah, I can see it's pretty spacious. On the right, let's see what this is. Oh, so you've got your washing machine and your dryer, some storage area, which is quite nice. Got another door here. Let's see what this is. Very nice little guest washroom or whatever you may want to call that. And then your lounge, some house rules. No smoking. Tells you about parking and all the facilities. You've got a fitness center which is 24 hours. You've got a pool, steam, sauna. You've got housekeeping twice a week. Comes in on Wednesday and Saturday. You've got your own parking, basement, front desk 24 hours. Very, very nice interior. You can see here. The finish and everything looks amazing and very spacious. If you notice, for a one bedroom, it's it has a lot of space. Obviously, your smart TV, and the main thing is just look at this amazing view. Wow. Just sink in और व्यू आप यहाँ से देखें. This is the Waldorf Astoria Hotel, 5-star, have their own private beach. You can see people enjoying the Doha summer, jet skiing, wave pool नजर आ रहा है मुझे ये. You can go and golf. What is that? It's a five-star, amazing, amazing hotel. Really love the Ramadan iftar that we did here. These are some of the other units, and this is the entrance of Agora. सामने आपको नजर आ रहे हैं the Lusail Boulevard area. What an amazing view, guys! This is just amazing. The Doha Sea and the color of the Doha water is amazing. ये पीछे जो नजर आ रहा है आपको, this is the recently opened Rixus Hotel, and behind that is the, if you see there, that's the water park. Sorry, the shaky. There, that's the water park little thing. Let's just see, and that's Little Boulevard. Those are the towers. That's Waldorf, the beach. Wow, spectacular, just amazing. Let me take you inside again. So this is, so this all. Just let me show you the bedroom. And this is the bedroom, guys. So yeah, some nice storage area. On TV, place to sit, your cupboards, decent enough. You got access to your balcony, sizable beds and pillows. Then got your walk-in closet. Got your tub here, very fancy. Got your walk-in closet with a safe. And here's your rain shower. His and her. So yeah, all in all, I think this is quite a nice, decent space for one bedroom. And the lounge, everything more spacious, perfect for a small family of maybe like 3 people. I think if you're interested in such units, and you're interested in a short term or even a long term, actually, you get better value. But if you're looking for a short term unit, this is an amazing place right near Lusail Vendome Mall. Opposite, this is the other view. If you go to the other side, there's some units which have the Vendome Mall view. This is obviously the Waldorf Astoria view. It's a partial sea view, which is slightly more expensive. But if you go towards the other side, you'll see the Vendome Mall, which is a walking distance, actually. You can just walk across the road and you enter the Vendome Mall. So it's a nice little unit for small families, for expats trying to live on a short term, even long term, as I said. You can come straight here, speak to the reception. They might have good options for you. But if you want to connect to the sales manager, let me know, message me, leave me a comment in the video, and I'll connect you to the right person for a really good deal. Agora is run by Marriott, so all the operations, the staff, etc., and the standard are obviously globally, you can say, recognized or established standards by Marriott. So I think that's great because you get a great level of service, and it's just not a normal service apartment. They are done by Marriott. The pool that I just showed you from inside. And then you've got amazing gym. Let's see how this is. Towels, water bottles. They're actually all training sessions that you can find here. Pretty decent. Pretty decent. And with a view. Gym with a view always helps. You've got the outside view of the pool. I'll just show you from here. This is the pool area. Right here towards the right, you see the jacuzzi and the little sitting area. Let me show you the sauna if we can. Changing rooms, the shower, accessories, got your own lockers here, and steam room. Sauna. Very nicely made. Very nicely made. This is the sitting area. You can see here is a nice little sitting area. And here's the jacuzzi. I'll just take you around. Here you can see the jacuzzi with the pool. Spectacular views. Very nice place if you want to come in the evening, have a little, sit down with your friends, etc. So yeah, so that's the full tour of the 9th floor, which has a swimming pool, sauna, gym and everything. Hi, how are you? I took you inside from the lounge, and then when you come outside, you see this beautiful promenade which I'm assuming is lovely in the evening to walk through. And then when you come outside from the back door, let me just show you the views of what you can see. Is you just walk through and you come to the window mall. It's so nearby. You see, this is the window mall at the back. Let me show you the front view. And that's it, guys. You're at the window mall. This is just a 2 minute walk. You reach till the end. There's a little, I wouldn't say a bridge, but like a little staircase that you have to just climb and cross the road. You're at the famous, luxurious Qatar's biggest shopping mall, Class Vendome. And here on the right side, you see the Agora Hotel. This is another new tower that's building up, another residential apartment. There you go. So yeah, it's extremely convenient. Um, as you can see, when you come outside from the parking area as well, you see Vendome is right here. So it's not a long walk at all, and great connectivity to the main road. And this is the parking. You've got 2 floors of parking, B1 and B2, fully secure, only accessible with that security card that you tap on the door, only then you get access. And this is all for residents and visitors, but ample space. And you can see, really nicely made. Looks as if you're parked in a shopping mall. 2 lift entrances, one from that side that I came in, and this is the other one. Yeah. So this is, I just wanted to give you a glimpse of how the parking looks like. Wow. Just wanted to show you the night view. Waldorf, Sand Boulevard, Stadium, and Agora. Absolutely amazing.